India. As supply chain becomes increasingly data-driven, how organizations leveraging digitization and process integration to enhance operational transparency and improve decision-making agility across procurement, planning, and distribution function. That's end-to-end supply chain. Mr. Pankaj?
Thank you and good morning, everyone. So let's take it with a very simple example that once there is a new launch, the marketing team has a launch date and there is a buffer. Now sales team also want to do something, there is a buffer. The merchandising team also want to do something, there is a buffer. Production team want to do something, there is a buffer. And supply chain team want to do something, there is no buffer, rather there is a stress. So that is the problem, and the digitization helps in the single source of data which brings the truth on the table and helps you to execute what is the plan. So that is what I summarize. In terms of digitization, actually most of the time we digitize processes which are in silos. TMS हो गया, TMS आपका लॉजिस्टिक को मैनेज कर रहा है, पर प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग की विजिबिलिटी है ही नहीं. कौन सी मशीन पे कौन सा SKU कब आएगा, no idea, because we are just calling up and somebody says something, and then calling up also gets into different answers. If my section head calls, he'll say sir आज तो नहीं होगा, कल होगा. If I calls, sir देखते हैं आज रात को लगा देंगे. And if my boss calls, sir आप बोलो अभी लगा देते हैं. So that is the issue which actually transparency, visibility, and getting into a decision which is a joint decision is what digitization brings on the table through control towers, to getting data which are residing in various silos, and then making organization most agile. And my sense of agile is responsiveness. You have to respond as per the demand. Things changes overnight. I'll give one more example. GST changes. Suddenly, all irradiated beverages comes into 40% overnight. You got only 17 days to implement new price, and then somebody has to do labeling. Somebody has to make sure that the old stock. What to do with that? So there are roles which comes into play, that you get right information on inventory, you get right information of inventory at my factory, because there are products which is still under excise and you have to pay duties while they move. So that is where digitization is actually helping and bringing a lot of transparency, synchronization, and efficiency in the decisions, which helps business to achieve their goal, is what my opinion is.
No, thank you.